Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. For those who don't know me and those who are returning, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I wanted to come here and show you a little bag that I was able to obtain. Now, before I show you this little bag, I want to let you know, of course, as I always do, I give everybody the opportunity to leave if they're not happy with what I'm going to show. And in today's video, we're going to show an alternative to luxury bag. So if this is something that does not interest you, that you are going to be upset with me or mad at me for it, then go ahead and click out and come back another day to watch my next video. Love you. Bye. Those who stood and want to see what I'm about to show, then keep on watching. So as I said, I am here to show you a little alternative to luxury bag, meaning not authentic. This little bag right here, if you don't know what it is, I don't know where you've been, but this is the beautiful Nano Speedy from the Murakami collection that Louis Vuitton just launched a couple of weeks ago. This is the new collection that came out, and everybody, their mother, grandma, and grandpa has been talking about this on Instagram, on YouTube, on TikTok, Google, everywhere you go. Everybody knows about this Murakami collection. People have been speaking on this, giving their own opinions. And me personally, I love Louis Vuitton bags. Love their bags. Love their canvas bags, everything. And I have my own opinion about this collection. And I've been dying to do a video. Let me know if you want to hear my opinion about it, because truly, I have my opinion. I'm not even going to go there. Things have changed in my mind about this company, like a lot of things that I have to say and don't want to, because like I've seen so many videos, I've heard so many people talking about it. But if you're interested in what I have to say, then let me know down below and I'll make a video about it, about my opinion. But in the meantime, let us look at this little bag. So this, like I said, is the Nano Speedy that have been sought after. Oh my God, one of the bags that everybody's talking about in this collection. Like people saying that this is the bag that they wanted and that they haven't been able to get. Other people say that there was only certain quantities for certain countries. Like I watched someone from Australia and they were like that this bag was nowhere to be found, and they were the first on their list, and that they pre-ordered it, and that they canceled their order. So many things with this little bag, because in my opinion, just like other people, I think this is the cutest little bag you can find. I mean, the size, the color, the colors, the versatility of her. And believe it or not, she can fit a lot in her. And then to top it off, this bow. This is what sold me, the bow. She looks very feminine. I'll put a picture around here somewhere of the one that came out before this one with Murakami's collab with LV. And it was adorable because it was a Nano Speedy. But they just added on some little things here and there to make the collection a little more attractive. And obviously, in me, oh, this bow did it for me. I think it's so cute. But with that being said, I'll put measurements of this bag right here, and height and in width. As you can see, she is tiny as can be. I have the 20, I have the 25, and I have the 30 Speedy. And I just did a comparison of those three sizes, and I'll link it right here in case you haven't watched it and you're interested in watching it. Now, I want to make a comparison of this one with my 20. Oh my God, and with my 25. I think this is just an adorable bag. And of course, I have to accessorize. If you have followed me for a while, you know I have to accessorize my bags all the time. And I found this little bunny and I just had to. And I think it fits perfect for her. So this bag, as you can see, top handle, this is the same exact Speedies. All the Speedies are exactly the same. Top handle, of course, some come bandolier, which is the one with the stripe here. This one doesn't have that. This one only has the little tab here with the D-ring to attach the strap, okay, on both sides. And then it has the two top handles. It has the tabs right here, 4 tabs with attachments with the metal right here. And they have Louis Vuitton engraved on them, which is another beautiful detail. And like I said, look at this bow. It is so beautiful. That metal in the middle is so precious. And in here, she does have a little D-ring that you can attach maybe keys if you want to use a lock on her, or you can attach something to there, I don't know what, because this bag in particular, the Nano, in this collection did not bring a lock and key. Usually Speedies do have their lock and keys, and this collection did not bring with the Nano. I added the one from my Speedy 20 onto this because on my Speedy 20 I don't usually use the lock, and I added it here. It looks so cute because it comes all the way down here, but I didn't keep it on her because obviously I wanted to put something else on her, but maybe later on I can do that as an accessory. But yes, these are the details. Like I said, she's engraved properly. Right here she has her beautiful zipper pull and everything. Now, just as I'm saying, everything is exactly the same on this alternative, but there's one thing that is not exactly the same as the authentic, and I'll show you that all the colors are the colors that the original has. The only thing is that the LV with the color, just the placements are not like the original. So for example, on the original, this would have been a blue instead of a fuchsia. So that's what I mean as far as the placement. Does that bother me? Not at all. At all, because if I were to wait to get the original bag of this one, I'm gonna have to wait a very, very long time if I'm lucky enough to get it. Otherwise, I sourced and I was sent this one, and I'm very happy with it. I'm very, very happy with her. With that being said, let's go into the inside to see the details. Before we go there, listen to this. The zipper, like butter. Space inside, she has plenty of space. Let me show you what I was able to fit with space left over. Before I empty her, let me show you there's still space in there to fit more things. I can fit my AirPods, I can fit glasses, or got them right here, glasses or sunnies in here perfectly, and she closes like nothing with the things that she has inside. And what I have inside of her is my essentials, the things that I need for every day, to carry every day and whatnot. Let me show you. As I said, my glasses were in there. I have this little pouch in here that I'm carrying some lippies and lip liners. And the reason I took this is because I can carry, you know, more with this little thing in there. Also my 4-key ring holder, and as you can see, that perfectly in there. Also my wallet, which is my key pouch. with the big bulky keys. And that's what I was carrying inside of her today. And as you can see, inside she has that beautiful, beautiful microfiber material. And let me show you the tab that she has inside. That says 20-year anniversary celebration, Louis Vuitton with Murakami, made in France. And it has a flower, a panda, the cherries, and a little Martian. Beautiful tab, beautiful little bag. I'm so in love with her. She is a precious, precious little bag. And I don't know why I waited so long to get a nano, because I really, really like the size of this. I'm surprised how much I really like this size. I am or became a small bag person now, and I truly, truly in love with small bags. And I think this is gonna be a hit for my summer. And I'm gonna see if I think about getting the original or the authentic Nano Speedy. I would like to get the old one, the one that is not that you don't detach the strap, because I find that the strap for this particular bag, I think, is very versatile, because putting her over your shoulder or crossing her over your body is so easy for you to carry her, take her from top handle, throw her over your shoulder real quick. And as you can see, she fits the essentials. And I am a person that we kind of travel a lot. For my husband's loved cycling, and I think this would be a bag in the monogram, and this one that's going to be a very, very used bag in the summer. And also, I know that this is going to be on my top used bags in this year. So I think I'm going to stop the video right here. And if you found it fun, entertaining in any way, and I hope that I didn't offend you, but if you found it fun, entertaining, give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and don't leave today without subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, my loves, for watching, and until next time. Ciao. What's going on?